Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, March 12th, and we're seeing a violent risk-off rotation as oil explodes above $100 on escalating Iran conflict and Strait of Hormuz threats. February inflation data came in sticky yesterday, holding above Fed targets. Today, we're watching for any emergency policy responses as oil shock threatens to derail rate cut expectations. 10-year Treasury yield spiked above 4% overnight as oil surge reignites inflation fears. Bond market is pricing out Fed rate cuts aggressively, 2-year also climbing as traders brace for prolonged higher rates environment. Equity futures getting hammered. Dow down nearly 300 points, S&P 500 futures off 1.2%, Nasdaq futures down 1.4%. This looks like conviction selling, not drift. Tech-heavy Nasdaq leading the decline as higher yields bite growth stocks. Nvidia under pressure in pre-market, down over 2% as higher yields pressure high multiple tech names. Oracle bucking the trend, up 3% after strong cloud earnings. Micron getting hit on HBM for competitive concerns despite bullish setup into earnings. Crude oil the star performer, briefly touching $100 per barrel on supply disruption fears from Iran conflict. Gold surprisingly weak, down to $5,200 as dollar strengthens and real yields spike. Silver bucking gold trend, up 7% to $90 on industrial demand. Risk off, globally coordinated. Nikkei closed down 2.1% on oil shock concerns. European markets getting crushed with DAX down 1.8%. This is classic energy crisis playbook. Inflation spike crushing growth expectations worldwide. IEA warning of potential biggest ever oil supply disruption if Strait of Hormuz closes. Reports of tanker attacks escalating tensions. Governments rushing emergency responses, but markets pricing worst-case scenarios. CoreWeave surging 15% pre-market on strong cloud infrastructure results. Alto Ingredients up 50% on turnaround earnings beat. Light day for major earnings, but any energy sector companies reporting will get extra scrutiny. Bottom line, traders. This is an energy crisis-driven risk-off event. Watch crude oil. If it holds above $95, expect continued equity pressure and Fed pivot off the table. Key level to watch. S&P 500 at 6,700 support.